The protocol designer in AutoSwim 2 allows you to create a variety of experimental protocols for running automated swim trials. Protocols can be used during an experiment so that the water velocity automatically follows a set of velocity values as defined in the protocol. When you first enter the Protocol Designer menu, you are presented with a default protocol displayed in the graph area. Placing the cursor on the graph will show the set point and the time value in the Legend panel. And if you open the Legend panel menu, here, you can change the look of the data graph or export the graph window as either an image or an Excel file. Underneath the graph area, you'll find the settings for this protocol. The Type section describes the overall type of protocol or shape of the resulting graph. Clicking on a protocol type will change the settings in the other sections, so you should start by choosing the type of protocol you want to use and choose if you want the water velocity or swimming speed to go up or down. In this example, we will choose the triangle type that ramps the water velocity up. Next, we focus on the period section. The period section is where you specify the duration and length of each step for a given protocol type. At the top, you will select the protocol step length or period length and enter either the number of steps and their height, just the number of steps, or just the step height. And then you enter the relevant values into the fields below. The best way to learn what each of these buttons and fields do is to play around with the settings and values, as the protocol graph will update right away, so that you can see what the set points are and how long the protocol lasts. And concerning the duration of the protocol, the settings in the final section will affect the total duration. Here, you can either shift the curve, repeat the curve, or add time before and or after the protocol. Finally, in the Misc section, the total length or duration of the protocol is displayed, which is the same value as shown up here on the graph axis. Below the length field is the export time mode and export unit. When you export this protocol by clicking the Save button here, the protocol is exported as a text file with all the set points and time values. You can then set if you want the protocol to be displayed in the time mode, like it is shown here on the x-axis, or in seconds, minutes, or hours. The export unit field lets you export the protocol set points in either centimeters per second or body length per second. And that's it on how to use the Protocol Designer in AutoSwim 2. You can use the saved protocol files directly in the Experiment menu in AutoSwim 2. Go back to the main menu when you're ready.